लोग तो पढ़ के हजम कर देता हूँ, उसका तो चिंतन करता नहीं। यही हमारा स्वभाव। हनुमान सबको मारा, पाप लगा नहीं। और इंद्र एक असुर को मारा, ब्रह्म हत्या को पाप लगे।
हरे कृष्ण। ठीक है।
इंद्र पापिष्ट था, 100 अश्वमेध यज्ञ किया, कितना बड़ा पुण्यवान है, तब भी तो उनको लगा। हनुमान को क्यों लगे? ये तो पशु, खा के हाथ धोता नहीं, काटी करके साफ नहीं करता, कोई सदाचार भी नहीं, थोड़ा मुश्किल। वृंदावन का
One devotee asked Srila Maharaj that when Bharat Maharaj he was performing his bhajan, at that time he saw one deer, she deer, who was delivering baby, who delivered baby by the fear of lion or tiger, I'm not sure, whoever. So at that time Bharat Maharaj saved this orphan. At that time, this question has been asked that it was proper for him to save it or not. Then Srila Maharaj says no, not on his part. It was not proper. Why? Because he is in such a high stage that it does not fit to his position.
वृंदावन का
पहले पालो फिर प्रणाम. So it does not fit to his position. Like Srila Maharaj was mentioning yesterday regarding Advaita Acharya Prabhu and Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu is having darshan of Lord Jagannath, whereas Advaita Acharya Prabhu was performing parikrama. When he came next near to Mahaprabhu, he mentioned that you are a loser. Why? Because Lord Jagannath was giving darshan and you are performing parikrama. So the stage is there when parikrama, which is very very valuable and having so many benefits, becomes lower than the darshan of the Lord. So that's why Maharaj is saying that for a person, सारे लोग एक एक करके प्रसाद लेते रहे. So for people like who are on the lower stage, they may do these kind of activities what Bharat Maharaj has done, but on his part it was not proper. Why? Because Krishna, he mentions in Bhagavad Gita, those who are attached to something or those there is possibility to get attachment, for them they do whatsoever. But for those who are not going to get involved in anything, for them it is better that they should stick to Harinam Sankirtan and Katha. Nothing else. That is the only process for them to follow. Nothing else. उसके बाद भी महाराज जी कुछ बोल रहे थे. क्या बताया था महाराज जी ने?
गीता का बोला ना श्लोक.
गीता का तो बोल दिया.
जो सभी
चैतन्य चरित्र वो बता दिया. चैतन्य चरित्र तो सबसे पहले. Yes, after that Maharaj was mentioning about Hanuman. That Hanuman, he is not attached to anything of this material world. So whatever he does for the service of the Lord. Even though he burned the whole Lanka, but still he was not
Lanka. He killed cow.
Over there when he was burning Lanka, at that time so many cows they died. Elephants, horses, and
he
the
killed the pregnant ladies.
So many ladies were also burned along with their they were pregnant at that time, their kid was also being died at that time. So in this way so many brahmanas killed. Brahma Hatya After that,
Go
Istri
hatya.
Hatya, Go Hatya, Bhrun Hatya. Srila
Prani
Maharaj
hatya.
mentions all these things, that all the living entities, so many was killed. So in this way, even though so many was killed by his activity, but still he is not considered a sinful person. Whereas Indra, who is the king of the heaven, if he has committed only one time, he killed only one Brahmin, by that he
No,
was
not Brahmin, Asur.
Asur in the
But-
form of.
But as he is product from the Yajna, that is called Brahmin.
Okay. Even though Vritrasur, he is having external feature as a Asura, demon, but he is considered a Brahmin. Why? Because he took birth out of one sacrifice. So that's why when Indra killed him, he was being called as Brahmaghati, Brahma Hatya. He has performed something by which he killed Brahmin. So in this way, he had to suffer, but not Hanuman. We can see the external difference that Indra, he is the king of the heaven. He is always mostly in the mode of goodness, and he is having a wonderful body. He knows all the etiquettes, whatever is been mentioned in the Vedas, Puranas, he follows that. Whereas Hanuman, he is having a body of an animal, the monkey, and he don't know animal. He don't follow any external like a process of cleanliness or anything like that. He passes stool, he don't clean even, and he don't wash his hands if he is eating. But still, because he was doing everything for the service of the Lord, that's why no sin can touch him. So people like this, who to whom nothing can bother, for them it is preferable they do everything in the relation to the Lord, not for anything else. Hare Krishna. I think everybody has to move. Why? Because they want to go for parikrama. Prabhu, you have taken prasadam?
Yeah.
Okay. Maharaj wants to give you mala also.
अपनी भी
जिन्होंने प्रसाद ले लिया सारे बाहर आइए.
वृंदावन